Hello everyone! So in this video we are going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So why don't you use your calculator? So here is the problem. We have 6 times 6 divided by 6 and times 6. So of course most of you out there like, yes, I can handle this. This is basic problem. I can handle this problem. This is basic multiplication, basic division, basic multiplication. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade and I can easily solve it. So right now I suggest you to choose one option. What do you think is the correct answer? We have 1, 6 and 36, and go ahead and put your answer into the comment section. And I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute, and of course I'm going to really kind of emphasize this extremely important math topic. So I want to start with this wrong way. How can we solve it? So first of all, we have 6 times 6. I rewrite this problem right here. Right here we have 6 times 6 divided by 6 and times 6. A lot of students try to solve it like that. So I don't say like this is correct or incorrect. I want to start with this one. So this is the first approach to solve this problem. So a lot of students start, okay, 6 times 6, which is really great. This is 36. And they go from the end, 6 times 6, which is the same equal to 36, and last step they divide this 36 times dividing by 36, and they say, okay, 1 is a correct answer. We'll see. Okay, but as you can see, obviously, whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem, and then we will solve this correctly. If you're talking about order, right here we have the main popular order in the world. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. This is PEMDAS. As you know, there is a BODMAS order, but BODMAS is the old one. A lot of internet libraries, maybe most of internet libraries, all internet libraries, scientific calculator works with this according to PEMDAS order. So let's work with this PEMDAS order, yeah? So I rewrite this problem once more. So 6 times 6 dividing by 6 and times 6. So I rewrite this problem once more. So I don't want to say that this is correct or incorrect. Let's try to solve it according to PEMDAS order. So 6 times 6 divided by 6 times 6. So what is the first step according to PEMDAS order? The first step is parentheses. So are there any parentheses right here, right here, right here? So no, I don't see any of those, so we skip this part. The next one, exponents. So are there any exponents, squares, cubes, fourth power? No, I don't see any of those, yeah? So the next step is multiplication, but moreover, not only multiplication. This is multiplication division part. So one really important moment that right here we have multiplication division part as a group, yeah? So we need to scan other any multiplication and division. So we have only multiplication and division, and this is our case. So let's go to solve this problem from left to right, yeah? So we have multiplication division, and now we need to indicate what is the first sign from left to right, and this is really important. The first sign from left to right, this is multiplication right here, yeah? So we need to start with this from this multiplication. Let's multiply this 6 times 6. As we have before right here, 6 times 6 equal to 36. And we still have this division, yeah? Division and multiplication in the end. So with this expression, we have right now this expression. So right now we need to indicate once more what is the first sign from left to right. And right now the first sign is division. So it doesn't matter, we work with a group, so multiplication, division, this is one group, so we need to start with this division because this is the first sign from left to right now, yeah? So 36 divided by 6 equal to 6. And we still have 6 in the end. So 6 times 6. And this is classic multiplication, everyone know it, this is a table case, equal to 36. And this is a correct approach to this problem. As you can see, it looks like 1 is a correct answer, but according to PEMDAS, 36 is a correct answer. So I want to write this answer right here. Answer is 36, option C. This is a correct answer. But let's go back to this expression in the beginning. A lot of students ask me, but why 1 is incorrect? I answer them, okay, this is PEMDAS order, but then I want to prove that this is incorrect, and I write it here parentheses. Okay, if you write parentheses, it looks like a correct answer 1, yeah, because right now we have like the first step parentheses, 6 times 6, 36, which is really great, and right here we have 6 times 6, 36, which is absolutely correct, yeah? So if you want to get this one, you need to put this first step, you need to put brackets, parentheses right here. But in our case, the correct answer is 36, and this is difference between these approaches, yeah? So we hope you understand this explanation, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. You can easily check this answer like into like a scientific calculator or graphing calculator. Maybe if you plug in this answer into like a basic calculator, maybe we'll have like a wrong approach right here, but Who knows, maybe you can easily check it. Correct answer is 36. I hope you understand this explanation. Now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, if you're struggling with basic math or like pre-algebra concept, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I try to help everyone, yeah? I definitely don't feel bad. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day.